If you want to build a website in GoDaddy, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Even if you've never made a website before, we're going to cover how to start for free, let GoDaddy's AI help generate your first design, customize the theme, edit your content, add new sections, and finally publish your site so it's live on the web. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a professional looking website up and running with minimal stress and no coding required. And if this video helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy's website builder. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Start for free and click it. This is the fastest way to begin, and it lets you explore the builder without needing to do a complicated setup right away. Next, you'll need to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, your Google account, or even your Facebook credentials. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. Then complete the sign-in process so you can access the Builder dashboard. After that, GoDaddy will ask you what kind of website you want to create. This is an important step because it helps the platform generate a layout that matches your needs. Enter your business category, such as photography, restaurant, personal blog, portfolio, or service-based business. Then type in your website name or your business name. GoDaddy's Aero AI tool may then ask you a few questions about your website, and this part usually takes a minute. The reason this step matters is because the AI uses your answers to create an initial personalized design and even draft some starter copy for your site. So instead of beginning with a blank page, you get a smart head start. Once your website loads, you'll be inside the editor. Take a moment to look around because this is where most of the customization happens. On the right-hand side, you'll see the editing panel, and one of the first things you'll want to do is click the Theme tab. This section controls the global look of your website, including colors, fonts, and button styles. If you want your site to feel more modern, bold, elegant, or minimal, changing the theme is one of the easiest ways to do that. You can also swap themes anytime, which is really helpful if you want to redesign the layout without losing your content. That means you can experiment freely until the site feels right for your brand. Now let's move into editing the actual page content. GoDaddy builds websites using sections, which are basically blocks of content stacked on top of each other. You'll usually see sections like a header, an about section, a photo gallery, services, testimonials, or a contact area. To change anything, just click directly on the text or image block you want to edit. If it's text, type in your own words. If it's an image, replace it with a photo that matches your brand. This makes it really easy to personalize your site without needing technical skills. If you want to add something new, move your cursor between existing blocks and look for the plus icon that says Add Section. Click that, and you can insert new templates such as contact forms, calendars, social media links, or other useful blocks. This is a great way to expand your site as your business grows. For example, if you started with a simple homepage, you can later add a services section, a booking form, or even a gallery of your work. As you continue editing, keep checking that your content is clear, easy to read, and matches the goal of your website. Try to keep your headings simple and your calls to action easy to understand, like contact us, book now, or learn more. Also, make sure your images are high quality and your text is not overcrowded. A clean layout usually performs better and looks more professional. Before you publish, preview your website in both desktop and mobile views. This is a very important step because your website needs to look good on all screen sizes. Check spacing, text alignment, button placement, and image display so nothing feels broken or hard to use. If something looks off, go back and adjust it before making the site public. Once everything looks good, click Publish. That's the moment your website goes live. If you're using the free plan, your site will be published on a GoDaddy subdomain instead of your own custom domain. Later, if you want a cleaner web address, you can upgrade to a paid plan and connect a custom domain. So that's how to build a website in GoDaddy from start to finish. You signed up, let the AI create a starting point, customized the theme, edited the sections, checked mobile and desktop views, and published your site. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.